My dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I am here with a new video of my village having a pastoral setting and rustic milieu, and it is a countryside village. These are the kacha roads, that is not what we can say macadamized roads here are found here. These are the village streets which are still unmacadamized, and we are living like in 1990s. The above you can see the big trees which are surrounding the ways. These are the walnut trees, and our walnut tree in Kashmir has also received GI tag, that is the geographical indication. You also heard that walnut trees produce jiglone. It is a hormone to protect its roots and to make what we can say a kind of barrier to other plants to grow around it. And now you can see the surrounding beautiful forests which are having so much plenty of greenery, and a beautiful river is flowing in the middle of our village. These are the big stones which are used as embankments to protect our land from soil erosion. Actually, we are practicing here in our village terrace farming, which is one of the methods of soil conservation and soil erosion, and which further protects the land degradation and helps land to become barren land and help to reduce the desertification. Now I am walking towards the river which is flowing aside by our village, and it is a very beautiful river. Let us have a look towards it. When one looks towards it, one becomes speechless, and he thinks that he is lost in the memory of nature. Let us love nature, protect our nature, conserve our nature to keep it safe and pollution free, so that we will get in return the fresh air, fresh atmosphere, and many more things. First, you can look towards the river, and these are the little streams. You can see how water is flowing like a milky stream. Just have a look. This water is 100% pure and fresh with zero pollution. These are some small bushes in the banks of the river, and it is surrounded by the what we can say deciduous forests, and we can also see some little plants here which are looking like beauty toys. And this river, it is a what we can refer to it milky river, milky stream, because the water is flowing down from the hill like a waterfall, and it shakes. Due to the shaking of the water, it gives the color white, like which resembles the milk. And the forests are having a plenty of greenery which are surrounding the river. Just enjoy the sound of water. It works as a pain healing product. When one is sitting here, he forgets all his worries, tensions, and frustrations. And I hope that you guys will support my YouTube channel and subscribe my videos, like my videos, make beautiful comments. Thank you very much.